Greetings, everybody. Welcome back to Onesixtyfourland for part 2 of my Auto World 2022 Release 4 unboxing. This is 4B. If you've already watched the first release of 4A, this is the follow-up to it. If you haven't, I suggest that you get on it. All right, this is the final release for 2022. I just received it from 3000 Toys, sealed case. They didn't send me anything for free. They don't even know I'm making these videos, but I buy from them because I enjoy the sealed case and the possibility of pulling a chase. So now, Auto World is on the ball for 2023. I think the first release is going to be shipping soon, so I'm looking forward to getting that, as it has 2 very cool new castings. But for now, let's focus on the final release of 2022. All right, first up is the 67 Chevy Chevelle SS 396 in mountain green poly. This color is awesome. It's an excellent alternative to the tuxedo black in the first release, and I really like it. Very good. Okay. Next up is the, let's see what we got next. 2021 Shelby GT500 carbon fiber track pack in iconic silver. Pretty sharp. You can see the carbon fiber look is on the spoiler there. It should have carbon fiber wheels, but they're just painted black in this, right? Pretty nice. Now, getting a sealed case gives me the opportunity to pull an ultra red. Right, so it's the limited edition, right? It's 3% of the run, and they actually stopped putting. Here we go. They stopped putting how many they've produced in this run on the package. I think they did that a few releases ago. I'm not too sure when, but so 3%, really low number, and it usually has this beautiful red paint and something else like white wheels or a white chassis or something. In this case, looks like it has red wheels. So it really depends. We'll see if we pull one. So here we go, 2010 Chevy Camaro Hurst edition. The first one I got was white. So this black is nice. It's got silver accents with the red striping. You get the Hurst badge on the fender there. Just like the Mustang, this casting would look 100 times better if it had side mirrors. It's a little... Actually, all of their castings would look better if they had side mirrors. They're a little, narrow because they don't have side view mirrors there, and it really doesn't take much to put a little nubbin on them. I understand it's not authentically 164 scale for each car, but it really just makes the car look better. Here's the Dodge Conquest. We'll get to this. This is the one from the A mix, so there's going to be one of those in here as well. 74 Challenger Rallye in bright red. Last year for this body style here, it's got the vinyl roof. You got the SE, not the SE stripes. Got the stripes on the side. So pretty neat. You got the overriders on the bumpers. Not sure if that was 74 or maybe that happened in 73. Nice casting. It's come in a variety of flavors. The Trans Am version is my favorite. All right, so here we go. So we have the 86 Dodge Conquest TSI. There's an all-new casting. It is in white. We're going to see the Mitsubishi Starion in the coming months. This is nice. It has a very 80s red, dark red maroon interior there. Presumably is fuzzy velour. So great casting there. And look, see those little side view mirrors? Really just elevates it right to the next level. And finally, we've got the 70 Chevy Impala Custom Coupe. This one's neat. This one is on the Lowrider chassis. It's got the tiny little Lowrider wheels there, right? It's in Astro blue poly with the blue interior, white vinyl roof. License plate on the back says low, so that's pretty neat. And yeah, so a nice alternative again to the standard, relatively standard issue of release 4A, except for that one had mag wheels, so it wasn't quite standard, but so pretty cool. Anyway, so that is the final mix of Auto World for 2022. That's premium release 4B. Check out my 4A, and I think I did a couple other Auto World unboxing as well. So otherwise, thanks for viewing, and we'll catch you soon.